our, see, you can't say when I do that. Welcome back to our normally scheduled program. Back here in my room at school. It is 7:58 in the morning. I tried to get up earlier, I really did, but I could not bring myself. It is cold, but it's 57, which is actually not as cold as it has been in the mornings, but it's also only supposed to be a high of 69 today. Tomorrow when I have class, it's supposed to be a high of 64. That's so cold. But anyways, good morning. I hope everyone slept well. Have I ever showed you guys the K-cups I have? I don't know, but they're like, they're the donut shop ones, but they're like nutty caramel or something. I really like it because the flavor, so I don't love putting like creamer and stuff in my hot coffee especially. So like I am the type of person who likes black coffee, but sometimes I just want like more flavor than just black coffee. So these actually like are brewed with whatever flavor, so then it has like a hint of something, so I don't feel like I need to put cream when I want like a slight flavor of something. I really like them. They're good. We're on day 7. That's wild. Honestly, vlogging has just become part of my day now. Like it's just starting to be like a normal thing. So, you saw me make my coffee. It took forever. I saw the clip was like 3 minutes. I'm gonna speed it up, don't worry. You don't have to sit through that. And then I'm going to journal, go on a hawker walk, pick up my Amazon package, and I want to start packing a little bit because there's a lot of stuff in here that still needs to be packed, and I have like a few tubs. But the problem is I use almost everything in here, so like how am I going to pack it? There's officially 11 days till graduation and 4 more class days. This Tuesday, Thursday, and then next week, Tuesday, Thursday. Ugh. Until I am graduated. That's crazy. It's crazy because I feel like, I'm sorry, I feel like freshman year just started. Yeah, I don't feel like it was that long ago. But it's 3.5 years ago. So I'll be back to you in a bit. I'm just gonna journal, drink my cup of joe. I don't like that I said that. Drink my cup of coffee. Maybe go on my phone a bit. I try not to on my phone too much in the morning. It's hard, obviously. The first thing I pick up in the morning is like my phone. Oh, hair in my mouth. So I just did some stretching, as you guys saw. I'm just gonna put in my headphones, honestly, and crank out the rest of this class real quick. The rest of my online class, so I can be done with it for this semester and for the rest of my life. I'll have to do like responses, but that's like a whole nother thing you guys do here. So I'm gonna do the final exam, and I'm gonna do the 2 DQs because they're open for this week. And oh, that looked even worse. So I will be back after I'm done with the class. Okay, so I did some homework for about an hour, and now I'm going to clean and just get my life back together, but mostly clean. So okay, so I look a dang mess, but I did some cleaning. I made a TikTok. There's my little setup. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do next, to be honest. I've just kind of been relaxing. But go watch my TikTok, and I'll probably just take a shower and then go get something to eat because I haven't eaten anything. I don't actually think it's that late because I woke up so early. Yeah, it's only 11:50. So I just got back from eating, and I went to the on-campus market, grocery store, grid, whatever you want to call it, here on campus. And so I wanted to give you a little haul. First off, I got 2 of these like smoothie bags, the tropical fruit. Then I got these. If you like the purple ones, you're sick. If you like the grape ones, you're sick, because that is so gross. And then I got a Boz water, which looks so fancy, and it's glass. And then I just got AA batteries for my Firefly lights. So I have decided on a self-care night, so watch me do my self-care routine. Also, I'll be making a TikTok of it. I realized I forgot to say goodbye and happy Vlogmas Day 7 and blessings.